how to fix your EA 25 player not transferring. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? Well, there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. So the first thing you want to do is check your transfer budget. Make sure that you have enough transfer budget and check club finances. If that is not the case, you want to simply verify the player in your club. You can only transfer the player that are already in your squad. So sign or buy the player first. If your squad is full, then you won't be able to complete the transfer as well. Remove players from your squad or loan them out. If that is not the case, you can also check if the player is tradable. If this little icon is present, then you won't be able to go ahead and trade the player. Always go ahead and check the transfer restrictions. Some careers have a rule like only one transfer per window or domestic only. Also, you need to complete the current matches. If there are any ongoing matches, then you will have to go ahead and complete it. If nothing works, then you might have to contact ea.com. Sorry. So finally, if nothing works, then you might need to contact their support team at help.ea.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.